Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Being Studio. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is all about styling tips for people with heavy breasts. Before I start this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon next to it. With that, let's head towards today's video. No matter how you look, it's very important to carry yourself with a lot of confidence. So if you're someone who have heavy breasts, there's absolutely nothing to feel bad about it, because all you have to do is you have to be confident and you have to know what are the right things you need to wear, how to carry it, and also everything has to be right. Like, you need to know whether whatever you're wearing is right or not. So my first tip is, it's very important to choose the right kind of bra. When you're choosing the right kind of bra, if you don't know your size and if you don't know how to choose the right kind of bra, you can go to stores nearby, and nowadays the ladies who are in the store, they actually measure the cup for you and they will give you the right kind of bra. So choosing the right kind of bra is very important. Now, people with heavy breasts, it's very important to choose a bra that covers the entire breast. It should not pop out from any side, especially if you're wearing t-shirt or something. Make sure that you choose a bra that covers your breast really well from all sides, so that it doesn't pop out from anywhere. So my first tip is that make sure you choose the right kind of bra with the right kind of cup. That's really important. My second most important tip is, when you're going to choose clothes for yourself, do not buy t-shirts which is till here with high neck. Even tops, do not wear which has this anything till here. Now choose tops like this which has prints like this. This has polka dots. Now when you wear something like this, the attention goes towards the dots. It will not, the attention won't go towards your upper body. So, and also if you see the neck, it has the V-shaped neck. So it's not going to make your breast look big. It's going to make it look small only, because once it has a V-neck, two, it has the polka dot print. So go for something like this. Do not wear t-shirts with high neck or round neck. So today, if you have seen, I am wearing a t-shirt which has round neck, but I am wearing a jacket along with it. This is a denim jacket and attention won't go towards my upper body. So you can cover yourself like that. So do not choose a t-shirt or a top which has round neck, which is still high, and choose a top which has V-shape, because that's going to make you look good. That's not going to make you look fat, and the attention won't go towards your upper body, which is the main important thing. Now my next most important tip is, do not wear horizontal stripes. That's going to make you look fat. So do not choose clothes with horizontal stripes. Even if they are looking very beautiful on you, do not choose them. Choose vertical stripes, because vertical stripes is going to make you look thin. Your upper body won't look fat. So choose vertical stripes instead of horizontal. That's going to make you look good. My next tip is, choose dark solid colors. As you all know that dark colors does make body look thin. It will also make your upper body look small. You'll be very confident wearing dark solid colors. Black color will make you look thin, maroon, navy blue. So choose such colors. Do not go for light shades. If you have heavy breasts, do not go for them, because they are going to make you look fat. So go for dark solid colors. My next tip is that choose prints. Like I said, choose prints. Do not wear t-shirts or top or dress or any kind of clothing. Whatever you're wearing, do not wear something which is just plain. That's going to make you look fat, and that's also going to make your upper body look fat. So go for prints like polka dots, vertical stripes, floral prints, any kind of prints, but go for prints. Do not wear something which is just plain. That's going to make you look only fat, nothing else. My next tip is, do not wear tight clothes. Tight clothes will make you look very uncomfortable. It will also draw the attention towards your upper body. Choose tops which are loose. Choose any dress if you're wearing loose, because that's going to make you look comfortable yet confident, and also that will not draw the attention towards upper body. So make sure you choose clothes which are loose. My next tip is that when you're accessorizing, do not wear something heavy, because when you're wearing something heavy, the attention also goes there and it will also go towards your upper body. So do not wear something which is heavy. Choose a simple thin accessory, something, a small pendant, or wear 2-3 chain with small pendant. Wear something which is really small, so that the attention won't go there, yet you will look very pretty and yet your clothing will look very smart. So wear something like that. Do not go for thick, big, heavy jewelry. That's not going to work. That's not how it should be. Next tip is wear jackets or cardigans or shrugs, because when you're wearing something like that, like what I'm wearing today, that's going to make you look very thin. If not thin, then it will not at least show the body parts. It will not make your the attention go towards your upper body. It will not make your breast look more heavy. So wear jackets, wear cardigans, wear shrugs, so that you have covered yourself, yet you can wear whatever you want, yet you can go wherever you want. So wear jackets so that it covers your upper body. If you have tummy fat, then it will also cover your tummy fat. So choose cardigans, choose jackets. That's going to make you look good. Wear scarves. That is my next tip. Wear scarves. Wear scarves around your neck. That not only looks stylish, but it will also make your breast look small. So make sure you wear scarves. Wear scarves, summer scarves, like floral print scarves. There are many in Amazon. If you check, there are many scarves, floral print scarves that are for really cheap price. So wear it around your neck. It will make you look good. It will make you look stylish. And definitely the attention won't go towards your upper body, towards your breast. So wear scarf. And next and my last tip is choose the right kind of fabric. If you're wearing something which is satin or velvet, then that's going to draw the attention towards your breast, because your breast will look heavy there. So choose the right kind of fabric. Choose cotton. Cotton is really good if you have heavy breasts. That's not going to make you look fat. So choose cotton. Choose something like that. Denim will make you look thin. So go for something like that. Choose fabric very carefully. Don't just look at anything and find it pretty and then just buy. There's no point doing that. Be very careful in what you choose, because ultimately you're going to wear it and you don't want yourself to look bad. So make sure that you choose fabric very carefully. Choose thick material. Go for cotton, because cotton will look good on you and also it will not emphasize the heavy breasts. So go for cotton. So these were my styling tips for heavy breasts. Whatever you wear, however you are, just be confident. Love yourself. Ultimately, that's what matters. And if you love yourself and if you're confident, then no one will look at you in any other way. So I hope my video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please do not forget to share this with your family and friends. I have done this video just so that every girl can watch it, so share it with as many friends as possible. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before I go. I'm working hard. If you can see my effort, then please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon with more videos. Till